It's Mstudio. Today, I'm doing a Nerf war video. This video is going to be pretty long. I'll have an active cam on my head. It's going to be more of a sniperish war. It won't really be, there's not going to be much action. A friendly battle, and I'll go much easier on my opponent, which is younger. There's not really much to say about this. We'll be wearing safety glasses, of course, and we will have relatively the same Nerf blasters, the same things. That's it. Wish me luck. 3, 2, 1. This is fine. Let's go. I'm trying for the camera resolution. It's very bad right now. Hey, you who are watching now, would you like to snipe here? You can try to snipe. Not sure you could snipe, but you can try. Is anyone there? Oh, there's a shooter right there. Oh, that was almost a headshot. He's a lousy shot. Look, I got a jam. He's out of ammo. A sniper. Oh, I'm a lousy shot. He's hit. Reload. I'm pretty slow at reloading, even though I practice this a lot. I'm pretty slow. Oh, that's like right in my eye. I got a jam. No fair. I got a jam. That's not fair. Okay, let's go. Oh, that was almost a headshot. Oh, he's hit. I'm a very bad sniper. Oh, headshot. Ow, that hurt. Oh, that hurt too. Okay, it's actually fair though. I'm gonna try to headshot you. Oh, do you see this here? It saved my life. Thank you. No, I'm not gonna kiss him. No, I'm dead. Oh, that was almost a headshot. Oh. Okay, now let's do some more action. This is out of ammo. Let's do some more action. Yeah, I got more darts. Oh, there's some darts here. Oh, I'm also gonna be so close. Oops. Got a big gun. This is on to my secondary. Oh, why are you shooting for no reason? He's a lousy shot though. Oh, that almost hit me. This is how you trick your opponent. Oh! Ow! Headshot. Cockle. What? How did I fire 2 at once? That's so weird. Okay, so I got headshots. Oh. That counts! Just a minute. Oh, God! Oh, that was close. Hit. Not gonna put this back. There's no ammo inside. Uh-oh, he's getting ready for a death trap. Okay, now let's suit up and put another mag in. don't know why you're shooting for no reason, and I'm not even there to accept the boost. Hello! Goodbye. Hello, I'm gonna retreat. Or maybe not. He's a lovely shot. Oh! Headshot! No scope! Headshot, no scope! I can't be loud here. Oh, that was good. Headshot. Headshot je vrijede ko 2. Oh. Oh. Almost. This is the time when we're coming to get the boost for darts. So we can load up our map. Actually my map, but let's get things here. Stop here, stop. Ooh, there's lots of ammo here. Oh, hello. Lights right in your face. And it's here, and it's here, and it's here. Oh, pitch it can reload. Oh, wait, I need to wait until I reload. Just go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Get another one here. More, and reload this one too quickly. I got more done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oops, I did this the wrong way. I'm an idiot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 6. Okay, let's load these up. Load these bad boys up. That's ready. This one here is almost ready. I don't know what he's doing down there. Let's check out the notes. This goes here, and this goes here, goes here. I know I'm talking to myself, that's very fun now. Okay, this goes beautifully. Very funny. Okay, I got some over there. Okay, let's do this. Ooh. That's me. Oh, I missed it completely. Oh, to jest polo, ty to. Daję. Co ty polo? That was no scope. Headshot. No to będzie headshot. Myślę, że daje. Nie widzę swojej na oczy, ale nie chcę. Zobaczy być, mordę. Oh, I'm allowed to trust. Oh, that was almost a headshot. Oh, hit. Ooh, almost. So fun to like watch darts fly in the air. Oh, that was a complete miss. Let me see if I got any more ammo. Oh, this one's completely empty. Oh, he's watching. Come get me. Okay, Okay, that was complete miss. Ow! That hurt. Just wait for them. I got a jam. I got a big jam. What do you do when you have jams in a Nerf war? You don't know what to do. Try to clean it as quick as you can until your opponent comes to get you. Oh, I was okay. Poor opponent. He's completely on secondary. That's so funny. I'm weak. Oh, butt shot. What? I swear, they're supposed to... Oh, stop. Look at what happened. Look what I did to this dart. This looks so weird. Never mind. Not 70. Niente. Non stavi. Continue. I was just scavenging. Stop a few minutes. Oh, almost headshot. You can like watch that dart come there. You can see my opponent right there. See me. Hello. Oh. How did I miss this? Oh, right now when I was gonna shoot him. And then it was right when I was gonna hit him, my jammed, and I was out of ammo. I don't know. Oh, that was a good shot. Okay, something like that. Hey! That hit me in it. Hey, now it's for sale. Over this one. Hey. Stop you. I'm just collecting all these darts here so I can right. I'll leave those there because I can't take the photo. Let's go scavenging. No, how did I make that dart completely let go? That's so funny. There for a moment. I just like threw my weapon away. Oh, so it's someone a secondary. We can like go with secondary now. Someone secondary. Yeah, I gave him a free man boost, free dart. What? Oh, what? Hey, you can't no for suppose. Hey! No for suppose. You ever seen my other shaman? I think there's another bullet. Sorry, dart in here. Oh, there is. There's that thing there. Can't fit these in here. That's called stealing darts. Or foam sling darts. Take this before long. I'll do a review on that probably soon, but not now. Just reloading quickly, getting all these darts in my pockets. Most of my pockets. Because we're not going to go only on secondaries. Spreman. Adjust this. Oh no. Let me put this switch actually towards me. Oh, that almost hit me in the balls. Almost headshot. That got me scored up almost. This is going in my eyes. Oh, miss me. How was that? Oh, that hit me in the weapon. That was like so interesting. What? Oh, I hit that ceiling. This is like it's so hard to snipe with this. I'm actually not such a long shot like it looks like I'm here, but I just can't snipe with it. That almost hit me in the head like a second ago. The camera probably got it. Almost. Oh, it was a headshot. Well, we lost the break. Yeah. That was a headshot. This barrel down here does shoot a little. If I can notice that. Let's scavenge a little. Oh, that hit me in the leg. And missed me. Looks so funny. Oh, he's a lousy shot. hitting into the wall. Ow, that hurts. Thought that he wouldn't be able to. Oh, he literally jumped over there. The camera couldn't see me jump, but I jumped literally over that boat, that dart. Oh, almost. Almost hit me. I'm scavenging ammo. Maybe too much. Oh, that both of them hit you. That's funny. So hard with this camera. It's so hard to such a heavy camera. What? I didn't even shoot that. He's a lousy shot. He's not a lousy shot. He just doesn't have much experience with Nerf like I do. Aha. Tak o ty was šta? This is bad. Sorry, my finger. I just almost hit him. What? Where's my? Oh, I didn't have another dart. I'm having a very large shot with this guy. It's hard to snipe with this because there's really no not a sight. Crummy dart. I'm not sure you can see anything. Hey, that came in the camera. Wait. Oh, listen. Wait, do you see this? Sorry, I'm constantly moving the camera, but it's very awkward to carry. Let's see what have on your head. Mount. Be the correct term. It's double guzzle. I thought it hit you. Do a little scavenging. Taking advantage of the point that he's a very lousy shot. I'm risking my gameplay on this, but it's fun. Oh, how did he miss me? I'm not so close. I'm not so close. Tactical take. Tactical drop the weapon. Actually, sorry. Tactical. Oh, I thought he was coming. Oh, it's so good. It was like I dropped all the darts I just collected and took my weapon, which was like right here. Is he still shooting even though not here? I put this right here. I put this controller where I mounted it right here. Is he coming? Is he coming? Mstudio? Thanks. Oh. So write me in the comments, is this funny when something hits you and my arms is falling? Or the fact that he's a very lousy shot. Okay, it's showtime. Okay, I'm a very lousy shot with this thing. Again, I gave him my secondary. Oh, I didn't know he was so close. How did I miss him? I wasn't even looking. I was like not even scoping. Ow, that hit me in the back, but it was from the. It doesn't count. What? This thing is like so weak. I can't even shoot him. Actually, I core lined the sights together. That should have hit him. I think he's not happy to see us coming up. Say, actually make it true. I have to get him coming back. Just joking. Oh, wait, whoa. Oh, he got so scared when he knew that I had 2 darts here loaded up. That didn't hit me. What? How did the other one come out? I think like works sometimes, but sometimes it doesn't work. Oh, now she met. Ah! That was it. Listen, pobre. Oh, me sacó. ¿Es un poco gordo? Ah, vas a meter un poco gordo. I was just doing this just to see if it out. Let's do some flame fire. This bad boy does have flame fire. Oh, that hit him. That almost hit me. one shot. Oba puta! Io c'è yeah, oba puta di poco due. Ne va a via. Qual è? Sto sentendo male. Kabule kadoj ono izbizala, biti gotovo vidio ono kad dođe negdje blizu na kad se pogori ili nešto, neki super film nešto. That hurt, dođe pogori se, that hurt a lot. He's having trouble with his skills and sentences. To tell the truth, I don't have any. Once I don't take a message. So the message. I'm both waiting to get all done. Just for me in a moment, put all these things in my pockets. Ok, od sada više ne smijemo pokupljati pola, sve što nam ostalo u džepu je šta imamo. So from now on, whatever we have in our pockets or anything else, we're not allowed to take from the floor. The last one standing is the last one standing. Zvani ko ostane živ, Ne. Sada imamo samo mati koje imamo u džepu, to je to. Ne smiješ ne pokupljati s pola, je tu. I onda kad bude oni koji zadnji nastane kill i drugi najviše metaka, gotovo. On pobjeđe. On ne pobjeđe, nego gotovo. Okej, nastavlja se! Ovdje se pogodio, ti to pogodio, haha. That hit you. Miss me, now you gotta kiss me. No, thank you. Oh, it's still pogodio, she's very loud, this show. I'm pretty sure I'll win. I'm gonna say I'll победить over. I'm gonna say I'll победить. Yeah, I think I'll win. Right to this, of course. Do we have it? Ne хочу победить, а вероятно, я победю. Toy bullet. That was hit me right in the. Ow, that hurt. Although, mislim, da bi ja headshot sada. Headshot is me. That headshot created by border. Headshot is 2 points. Every other part of the body is 1 point. Oh, that was almost headshot. Can you believe that? Oh wait, and I'm not. Next thing was supporter. Lisa. Oh, so sorry. Next thing was supporter. What? This thing jammed. Kako to? Nije mi jasno. Kako to? Oh, pogodilo. It hit you. Okay, I got 3 more left in here. Got 3 doors left in here. Oh! Probably actually, man. Oh, to pogodilo. He's dead. I got 1 left. 1 dot left. Koliko ti je to metaka? Ne, 1 pocket. Meni je to samo nekoliko. Ne, nije pobjeda ono ko ima više koliko ostane više metaka, nego ko na kraj, ono, kad zvani metak se iskoristi je kraj. Pokoričite. Neće, pucaj me. Oh, he missed me. Maybe I should scare myself. What is that? That's all. I'll do this first. I did. Sure. I did. metri? Ai sì. Ajde, koliko ti je 100 metara? Pew, 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 pew. I got like almost no darts left, so I'm saving them to see if maybe he'll fall for my trick, and probably not. He'll probably forget right now. I have this. Oh! Right there. Okay, fast rejection. Okay. I'm gonna save this. What? Come on. Oh, you tricked me. Quello che pensavo. Prende che quello che pensavo. Oh, comunque dopo koji metro che nemam puno. Ne vidim to puno. Mogu uzeti koji spuda. Jer nemam puno. Dobro, uzet ću isti taj spuda. Uzet ću isti taj spuda, hvala. Ne možeš, ti si mi ga... ne možeš, ti si mi ga dao. Na YouTube sam samo, nema gluposti. Oh, miss me. Okay, I don't care if I'm the last one dead. I want to shoot, this is doing. Oh, headshot, pogodilo. Kako nije? Okay. Točnije će biti, završit ću tako, ja više nemam metaka, ja snimam, sada ću završiti. Moj zadnji klip će to završiti. A to neće biti ovdje. Oh, pogodilo se. Hit you. Ovo se zadnji meč, ako te sad pogodim, ona je gotovo. Gotovo je sad, ispustim zadnje dva. Gotovo je sad, ispustim zadnje dva. This is the end. Let's end this. Okay, I'm record those things. Once again, this has been Mstudio. Don't forget to keep on thinking.